Hey, how you doing? What did Jeff send me today? I have a notice in my post office box. They send me a notice when I have mail incoming so I can track it. And it says there was 3 packages on December 23rd. This is just a quick little story, let me tell you. 3 packages that Jeff mailed them from Oregon on December 23rd. Okay, and I know it's busy season, but on the 25th it came to Lehigh Valley, which is Allentown, and that's like 12 miles from here. Okay, so I know it's Christmas. I slowed it down a little bit. The next day it went to Hellertown, which is like 4 miles from here. Okay? And then on the 27th, it went to Lancaster, which is about 110 miles from here. This is our postal service, right? So 2 of these came right on time. They came about 3 days ago, but there was one more, and I was waiting. I didn't want to open them until I get the 3rd one. The 3rd one went on another trip. So I'm looking at this on my phone, the tracking I get. The 27th, it was in Lancaster, like I said, 100 some miles. Then the 27th, it went back to Allentown, which is 12 miles away from my house. Then the 29th, it departed Allentown 2 days later. Then today, the 29th, it arrived in town here. So it took a long trip, but he mailed them all together, and one just took a trip somewhere. That's our efficient postal service. I'm not complaining. I'm glad they're here. Well, yes, I am complaining, I guess. But what do you think could be in here today? I'm pretty excited. Ain't I?
Well, you've been waiting.
Oh, why? Thank you.
Because it's always fun to open one of these boxes.
What could it be? Which one should I open first? This is the one that took the extra trip. That came today. Fragile.
Open the first one that came in first.
This one or this one?
That.
What do you think it is, boys and girls? It's definitely another Christmas gift. And it's taped so good. Well, my knife is getting dull or something. That's not a knife. Are you as excited as I am? What does it sound like? Didn't they used to have a tab on these boxes to open them easy?
Yes, they do.
Make them grandma proof?
Watch that grandma stuff.
Oh, I saw it before you did. Oh. Oh. Look. Oh. M2. Oh. Oh, Jeff. Oh, Cadillac. 59 Cadillac, my favorite. It is. Oh.
Oh, wow.
Oh, 55 Chevy. 53 Oldsmobile. 53 Ford. Look at them. Cool Mustang. Golf Roadster.
Wow.
Bel Air Nomad. 57.
Wow.
59 Cadillac. I love it. My favorite in the world. Another one, different color.
Wow.
Another Roadster. Purple Beetle. It says on top how many pieces were made worldwide. 6,000 pieces worldwide.
Wow,
And there's special ones. Whoa, that Camaro. The Fiend. What's the Fiend? Oh, a van.
These are cars we've never seen.
Yeah, another Roadster. I had a van. I had a party van way back in the day. 49 Mercury. 69 Roadrunner. Beautiful. And a 41 Willys Coupe. Gasser. Oh. Thank you so much, Jeff. I don't know why you're so generous with these. Hopefully you have a, well, obviously you have a giant collection. Hi, Tim. You watching me, Tim? How about you, Bernie? You in there? Bernie loves these cars. Bernie's in sunny Florida. What do you think's in here? Maybe something different. Something we don't expect, right? Don't see it before me?
Ooh, you're gonna like it.
Oh! And a letter. Rick and Kathy, I hope you and your grandchildren enjoy the Hot Wheels. Oh yeah, we did on Christmas.
Oh yeah, and we will.
Yeah, they liked them a lot. Thank you so much. Jeff and Kathy wrote me a nice letter there. Thank you so much. I wish somehow we could, you know, promote your business or whatever you got going. 55 Chevy. Look, this is just going to take a long time to go through. And I apologize to the viewers because it would take too long to name them all right now, wouldn't it?
Yeah, but maybe one day you can just show some highlights on your shelf.
He must have been a collector or a seller, right? Because we went to shows sometimes and they have them in bags like this, you know? Like die-cast car shows we went to. They had a nice Corvette.
This is awesome. It's just awesome to receive something like this
Man, motorcycle.
that we can share with the kids and
57 Chevy.
teach them
Cool vet.
about them, right?
Yes. Mickey Mouse boat. Look at that. Steamboat Willie. It is.
No way. Let's see. Wow. These are things we've never seen before.
Treasure hunts.
Oh no.
Oh. Treasure hunts. Look. You know what they are? They're so special. Honda.
Wow.
Looks like a 47 Chevy. Wow.
They are so generous sending us these.
Purple Passion. Remember last time I said we had a pink Purple Passion and I said they come in different colors?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a different color there. Treasure hunts. There's something cool. They're all cool. 71 Mustang funny car. Wow. These are the most special treasure hunts if we know about Hot Wheels. Put them over there. Man, all right. So, it would take me a long time to go through all these.
That's amazing.
Yes. But, you want to see them? Packed in there so neatly. Firebird, van, El Camino, 57 Chevy, 55 Chevy.
This is so generous.
Look at that micro bus with the moon eyes.
Where, let me take a, where's that one?
I like doubles and triples. Oh, here's Matchbox Sugar Daddy. Ford GT. I like doubles and triples because it's like, you know, the new cars rolling off the assembly line, stuff like that. Look, what a collector you are.
Wow.
Man.
Wow, this is nice.
Evil Twin. We saw something like that. Corvettes. I love. Pickup truck. Another 62 vet in the baggie there. I'm taking them all out anyway, ain't I? The smorgasbord. Man, love the colors. Love the fancy graphics. Love the Hot Wheels. Whoa, look at that Comet. 65 Mercury Comet Cyclone. When I was a kid, there was a used car dealer near me, and they had a Comet similar to that. It was turquoise, and it had no hubcaps on, and I thought it was cool. I was 5 years old, and this car was riding around with no hubcaps. This teenager was trying it out, you know. I was real young, but I always liked that Mercury Comet. Oh, look at that 73 Jeep. Purple. Man. Riviera, 55 Chevy. I wish they were real. And I was telling Kathy yesterday, I remember when we used to buy the 55, 57 Chevy for $300. For real. Just about the time I started driving. Look at that beautiful Camaro. You could buy them for $300, $400, $500. My friend bought a 69 GTO convertible for $1,500 off of the original owner. It had like 60,000 miles on it. 69 GTO convertible. $1,500. And he got in an accident with it. He got in trouble with it. But then he got 3 more GTOs. And he took the front end off the smashed one and put it on. And he made one good one out of 2 old ones. Anyway, they were really easy to get back there. One more box. What do you think's in here? This is the last one. This is the one that took the extra trip. Remember?
Oh, yeah.
But the postal service is not very efficient. It's like wherever it arrives, it's the first time it got there. You know, instead of moving it on to a closer destination, just send it wherever they want to. But I'm glad they got here safely. Want to look before me? What is it?
Oh, I like it.
Look. I see 4 VW buses right here. I'm just overwhelmed. Right?
This is wonderful.
Yeah. Look at them. Man. I don't want to get them all out because it's going to be hard to get them back in, huh? Well, I want to get them out and look at them, right? Love that 55 Chevy. Oh, there's something big in here. Coffee break. Something big here. What is this? Ooh, price guide to Hot Wheels.
Oh, neat.
Wow. And this is from 1968 to 1996.
Wow.
Oh, man. The red lines. Whoa, that's cool.
You'll have your nose in that all night.
Look. Oh, man.
Oh.
Wow.
Wow, what a nice gift.
Even
Wow.
an index back there. Wow. This is amazing. Yeah. I can't thank you enough, and I can't keep saying I can't thank you enough. Jeff and Kathy. Look at that boy. Barbie Dream Camper.
Oh.
I know a little girl that might like one of them. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna go back over to my shelf over there. I pick out my very special ones and I put them on my new shelf. Look at that copper color, I love that. 58 Chevy. So yeah, Kathy got me a bigger shelf over there for Christmas. I'll show it to you quick. Look. Isn't that neat? Look. The shelf on the left I had already, but Kathy just got me this for Christmas. Isn't that so cool? Sometimes you can see it better with the light off with the camera. Zoom in and see. When they're able to open the doors and the hoods, I open the doors and the hoods. And I pick out my very favorite ones. See?
A lot of them came from Jeff and Kathy.
Yes. Look, a Corvair. And they're so realistic. The engine in the back and the hood opens back there. 55 Chevys, 63 Nova. Sometimes I'll just sit here and play with them, right? Yeah, a lot of these are from Jeff. You can make it dim, see? Or you can make it bright. Or you can make it go around like it's a used car lot, see? See that? Isn't that nice? Fill her up! No problem filling these up. Isn't that amazing? The way the light's moving and everything. I sit there playing with it for hours. The ones where the hood's open and the door's open, I open them up. I saw it over there. That lid slid. Wonderful, wonderful. How did you have so many, Jeff? You know, you must have collected for a long time, right? I don't feel like I'm worthy, you know? You don't have to. There's some nice pickup trucks. 63 Chevy. Austin Martin. Porsche, Honda Civic. 75 Honda Civic. How often do you see them? I need a ladder. Oh, this is not the Monopoly car. I was looking for that. Pass and go, it says. That's a hard one to get these days. I didn't think I'd ever find one of them. That's a good one. They're all good, but that's special. Guess what? More pass and goes. Monopoly. That's amazing. They're so hard to find. I was reading about them lately. Man, I'm gonna find some more treasures in here, Jeff. They're all beautiful. 58 Chevy. Another Steamboat Willie. Chevy pickups. 64 Chevelle. Blue DeLorean. That's hard to find. 64 Chevelle. My uncle bought a 64 Chevelle, brand new, turquoise green, 3-speed on the column. Brand new. I was 4 years old. And that Mustang. Whoa. Whoa. Can you still see me? We got a mountain. 59 Chevy. Ford. Sugar Daddy. Little Red Express truck from Dodge. That's a very special one too. Little Red Express truck. I'm speechless. I don't know what to say, and thank you very much. Love the M2s. Love the Hot Wheels. I love it all. I'm gonna play with them. Hope I can retire soon so I can just play with them all day. Maybe you know I also have some in the garage. Isn't that cool? It's like a toy store. Kids come down here and they have so much fun picking them out. Wow. Talk to you soon. Thanks again, Jeff and Kathy Anderson from Oregon. Gotta go get something to eat now because I'm hungry. I gotta straighten these out and put them back in the boxes or figure out how I'm going to display these. Thank you so much. Talk to you soon.